message from a new world I'd never known.
Hi guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. How you doing? I'm blessed. You're blessed. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. I'll be doing up some jerk salmon. Can the girl do it? Yes, she can. So I'll just be using this jerk season and the powdered jerk season with some cayenne pepper because we want it spicy, and just some vegeta and garlic powder with just my oil. Season him up, throw him in the oven. So first I'll add my cayenne. This is my vegeta. These are some thick ass slices of salmon. Thick. And you must be wondering, so where's the salt and black pepper? Because this vegeta, it's kind of salty, so I don't like over salting my food. So that was my vegeta garlic powder. Now for my jerk seasoning. Cover him up properly. And now for my cayenne pepper. Ooh, it's going to be spicy. Not too spicy. Don't want it too spicy, but I want it spicy. So I grab my black pepper. Yep. Just a little black pepper. And a little salt. Not too much. Now to add a little jerk season. And just regular vegetable oil. Use whatever oil you prefer. Just using a little vegetable oil. A little bit more.
Something about it felt like I've been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly love is not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic.
Hear that? That's what I want to hear. Scrape this on the top, just like that. Now back to the oven. And my oven is at 450 degree and at convection at bake. When I'm making mashed potatoes, I prefer to steam my potatoes instead of boiling. I got that from Martha Stewart. some milk with a little bit of melted butter. A little salt, black pepper, mozzarella cheese, and my scallion. And now time to smash this bad boy.
If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
There it is, guys. My jerk salmon with mashed potatoes. Welcome to Netty's Amazing House.
I don't know why I tasted that first. I should have tasted this first. Oh god.
Number one.
Let's go.
I can hear it, I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush, every note I touch, I can feel it saving me.
Delicious jerk salmon. So from my amazing house viewers, one love. Netty's Amazing House.